Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature some 360 views of some of the hottest haircut trends that we are seeing at the moment. And first up we have this beautiful bright blonde mullet style. I absolutely adore the cut and the color combination. And then here we have someone who has more of like a wolf cut style here. Very pretty hair color. And there is a 360 of her particular haircuts. Next up we have someone who has more of like a curly, shaggy cut. Her natural curls look absolutely stunning within this haircut. Amazing. And then we have a beautiful tassel bob, followed by a layered shoulder length style. So she does have a nice mix of blonde in there with the brown. Very pretty. And then we do have another layered mid-length shoulder length style, curtain bangs as well, followed by this gorgeous silver pixie cut. And then we have another layered mid-length style. Another very popular hair trend that we're seeing in 2023, and I love the pops of blonde that she has mixed in with there. Very cute. And then we have more of like a layered bob haircut. She also has a nice mixture of blonde, followed by another layered style. She does have really pretty red hair color, bangs in the front. Followed by more of like an undercut pixie or pixie cut. And then we have another layered style that features the contrasting trend, blonde on the top, black on the bottom. Followed by another layered kind of wolf cut style or layered bob style. Beautiful bangs in the front as well. And then we once again have another fluffy, shaggy mullet style. Absolutely love the color combination for that one as well. Beautiful. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.